This is called the Teradek Cube, and it takes the output of the camera, and as I can show you here, streams it directly to the iPad. So as you can see here, you've got your director staring in the back of a monitor trying to look at this 2x3 little image, where really what he should be doing is holding himself an iPad so he can see what's going through the lens of a camera. We're actually launching a new product. This is called the Teradek Clip.
Okay.
We started with a cube. We shrunk it down to a clip.
Yeah, that's compatible.
Tiny.
Yeah.
This takes the HDMI out of that camera and streams it directly to an iPad. $5.99. Went on sale today on our website, teradek.com.
So we're trying to address some of the key challenges or hurdles in the rollout of 4K in the market. So one of those hurdles is there's not enough 4K native content out there. So what we're trying to say is you don't necessarily have to have a huge library of 4K content, but there's a lot of 1080 content out there that can scale very well and look terrific on a 4K display. So there are several companies in there that are showing side-by-side demonstrations, 1080 content scaled up onto a 4K display, and right next to it, the native 4K display. And we're challenging people to tell us which one's the scaled and which one's the native content. There are many, many other challenges that are out there. One of those being the lack of content, but the other is then how are we going to distribute 4K content to the home? And the way we're addressing that challenge is that there are new compression codecs coming. Today we use a codec to distribute technology. It's called AVC. The new one's going to be called HEVC. And the promise is that you can deliver the same quality content for lower bit rates. That means lower bandwidth, that means lower cost.
What's different about this one from past events is that it's been this year the biggest in recent memory in terms of attendance and participation, so I'm super excited about that. So best ever, at least in my tenure and certainly in recent memory. We worked together with our partner Chris Chinnock at Insight Media, and it was his idea, and he thought that in this world of 4K and UHD and the controversy, I guess, of what that means to the consumer, he thought a demo room would be really useful to our delegation. So we tried it this year, and I think it's been a great success. I myself have been over there, and it's always been very busy, and we'll see about doing it again next year. Maybe a different topic, but it certainly was something that appealed to the delegates.
The big thing is everybody likes 4K, but the question has always been, there is no 4K sources. Why would I buy a TV now if I can't see 4K? So what we would like to show is we can show you 4K, but also too, this is how good your HD is going to look. And I think what people are seeing and what our reaction has been is they're very surprised at the image quality that they can get even on a simple consumer process. So it's been very good.
It's been great. I think every year it gets better. This year it's definitely more crowded. There's a lot more with the technology. We're doing 4K and now 6K. So with all this new technology, there's an excitement, there's people, there's more questions. So this has definitely been the best conference so far.